Good morning everybody. So I'm about to pop into town as day 2 of Thriftmas. We're going to look around the charity shop, see if we can find any new in Christmassy bits. Does that make sense? Yeah, we've been here recently. So we're in Truro today, just nipping down into the local town, seeing what's what, seeing if we can find any Christmassy bits, glassware I'm after, and also a black faux fur jacket. I still haven't found one. I'm still determined to find one in real life. A few people have sent me Vinted links and stuff. I don't want to buy it off Vinted. I feel like that's cheating. So I'm going to keep my eye out for that again. But fingers crossed we're going to be hopeful. As you can see, I have got another hat on today. I went with the sheep one. I feel a bit funny wearing it, but I mean, it's absolutely freezing. My rings are almost falling off my hands. I've also got this jacket on, this big giant jacket that I had on it yesterday. It's a vintage one and it's a men's size 3XL, but it's all lined inside and it's so cozy and it's like the warmest thing to wear at the moment. I mean, it's not great if it's raining, but it hasn't been raining today. It's been snowing, so there's that. Anyway, let's get over to the other side of town. We'll start off with Oxfam and it'll work back over because I keep forgetting the Oxfam one and I typically get really lucky in there with glassware. So let's see what we can find. Tell you what, I spoke to you soon. I don't know if you can see, but it's pouring down with rain now, which is less than fun. I'm going to come back to these two. There's a British Heart Foundation there. Like I said, I'm going to start over at the Oxfam. A little whiz there, but this town's looking nice today. The angel lights are out. I'm sure they're turning on soon. I know they're not having an actual Christmas light turn on this year due to budget cuts. So that's always fun, isn't it? Here's the Oxfam just up here. Now also, just going around here, this little antique store is so good. Found so many cute little things in there, but let's go into the Oxfam as the first little trip of the day and hopefully we'll find some Christmassy bits. Straight into the coat section. I'm not seeing any faux fur. I like this though. I keep seeing lots of like shearling coats recently, but not seeing any black ones. That's really cool. Bingo, made my way to the bric-a-brac section. Picked up this hat. I've wanted a little hat like this for a while. Just a black faux fur. Here we go. Look at this little treasure trove. This is why I really enjoy coming to this store and having a little mooch first. The last couple of times I have forgotten to come all the way over here. Look at them napkin rings. I've never used a napkin ring in my life, but it's very pretty. This little guy, little nutcracker on there. It's a little pot. 99p. What's this? Oh, little old Avon perfume. How cute is that? How cute that bottle is. Can you see it? So sweet. Pink bulbs, we love to see them. Okay, oh I love this little guy. Little snowman. He's sweet. Crackers. I never thought to look in the charity shops for crackers really. What are these? Little brassy cherubs. That'd be fun to make a garland out of. That's really fine. Wow, look at that. I think my mum would like that. These. Are they mini ornaments or what? I'm not sure. They're teeny tiny. Look how small they are. So cute. Okay, let's go on to the glassware. See if, oh my goodness, I love these people. Oh, how cute they are. Where are they from? I've never seen these before in my life. If anyone's ever seen these, please tell me what they are. I would love to go on a Google about them. Look how cute their faces is. The girl one as well. Huh. I've never seen anything that actually looks like that, but I really like them. You know me and my obsession with like little people and stuff. Special cabinet. These are binoculars. Okay, glassware. Glassware's always stored down here on the left. We've got a few little bits there. Not what I'm after exactly, but there we go. That's pretty. Look at that. My mum would like that. It's very nice. What does it say? Made in Edinburgh, Scotland on it. That's cool. Nothing that I'm really after, really. I like this vase. That's quite nice. Simple. £3.99. Look. Yes, she's pretty. Got some jugs and a nice decanter down there. Look at that chunky bad boy. I like that. How pretty is that plate bag there? How much is it? £2.99. It's absolutely massive. Really like that. Like, look how big that is. It's huge. Seagulls. Are they seagulls? They look like seagulls to me. Yeah. Not much in the glassware, that was for me, really. Take a peek at this bit. This bit seems to be like their more specially bit. Look at that one in there. How fancy is that? A little rocking horselet. How sweet. What's that? A bag of stamps down there. A little cake servey tray thingy. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, look. A sat nav. Again, it's a love from me. Look at these. From Cyprus, she is. This guy looks like he's from Italy. Wow. Oh no, also Cyprus. The original handmade village dolls. What a fella. I love him. This, it's got me written all over it. £20 for the box. Look at these ornaments. Oh my goodness, these are some good ones in there. Look at that. Oh my lordy. Can we take a sneak peek? Yeah. Look at them. I wish I could buy that right now. I actually would. I don't need it. But that is exactly what I've been looking for. That makes, if it was £10, I would 100% pick it up. But yeah, look at that gorgeous blue one in there. I'm so sad to leave that actually. Just walking out and I don't know how I missed this coming in. Look at that beauty. Best card you've ever seen. The little snowman. I've got the hat. That's all I ended up picking up in there, so I did good. That was actually on my list. I know I said a faux fur hat, well, a faux fur coat, but I wanted a faux fur hat as well. Here's a lovely little view for you. Look how nice and English looking that is. There's the antique shop again, just on the water. Like I said, it's really good. Oh, dearie me. It's now like half snowing, half raining. So, next shop anyway, make our way to the centre of town. I think I'm going to avoid Bernardo's just because they really annoyed me last time with that Primark coat being £50. I was like, that is bad. So I'm going to avoid that because if I find something cute, I'm going to be really annoyed that I supported the store, you know, because I won't be able to resist. There is no willpower in me today. Well, there is actually, because I didn't buy those baubles in that store. We're a little bit much being £20, but to be honest, I think it was okay. It's like exactly what I'm after. I just don't need a whole box full. That's a bit excessive. I have a lot of Christmas decorations. I mean, if I'm being honest, if I could pick them myself, I probably only would have picked about 6 out of there. That's probably how many I'm looking for. Just 6 individual ones, all in the multicoloured. And I want that kind of Tiffany blue colour. I want a pink one, you know, just to mix back in with my baubles that I already have. So, next up, where should I go? I know, I'll go back to that British Heart Foundation one, see if they have any Christmassy bits. Ooh, what a lovely day. It's freezing, but we're here, we're out, we're doing another episode of THRIFTMAS and all is well in the world, so thanks for hanging out with me. Let's get our butts down there and we'll co-op, maybe a drink and a snack. Hey, I'm back. Back at the window, I said I would visit. Here's what we have. The Lysandra pop there, if you're a Simpsons lover. That'd be fun if you was doing like a little Secret Santa or something. Lots of little jewellery bits in window. Let's go and have a look. A little look through the Christmas jumpers because it would be rude not to, wouldn't it? Wow, look at that one. Bit of reindeers on there. £7.50. It's only Asda as well. Bit much. Okay. Bit of a PlayStation, £8.50. So we got an elf one. I feel like that PlayStation one would have come from bloody Primark or something. Oh, it's cute. That a Rudolph one. How cool is that? It has bells on. The next one, £8.50 though. Bit much that. Let's check the coats. Still nothing in that I'm looking for. Again, black faux fur, we know the drill by now. No, none. Not much going on in here, but I did just find more St Michael's Marks and Spencer's baubles. Like we've seen it yesterday in Falmouth. This set here though, it's only £5, so that's more like it. I did end up giving the other ones a Google, the ones we found. You know, the Ralph Lauren inspired ones, and actually they sold on eBay for like £19, I think it was in the end, so £8 wasn't too bad after all. I shouldn't have moaned about it, but that was me just being a bit stingy. These are nice, they're like new in bits. I'm looking at those, but I think they're quite expensive in here, like £20 or something, so not for me, but still. Tell you what, something I've always been interested in is these mystery bags. The size of them, they're absolutely massive. They're sorted by size, £5 a bag, bargain. I've always been very tempted, but you know me and junk, I'm a bit of a hoarder when I get like let loose. Oh, I like him. He's cute. £9, it's one of the new ones again. Okay, so it's been about half an hour now. I showed some real restraint. I didn't even buy a drink in a snacking co-op, so that's good for me, isn't it? I'm definitely going to get a Pepsi Max in a minute. So I just went into, I think the last store you would have seen was Britain Heart Foundation. I went into the store next to it, which I think is Cornwall Hospice, and I also went into the cancer research. There was literally nothing Christmassy in there, like a couple of things in the window, and that was it. So I'm walking up the road now because I know there's a British Red Cross. This is typically one that does mostly like Zara returns and stuff, so I'm not sure if I'll find much homo in there, but we will check it out. We have arrived. Let's see what's in the window at least. Not much. A little snow globe, some new coasters, new glasses case. Lots of these stores having new things. Which isn't what I'm kind of after. A few things in here. I like this plate. That's very cute. A little dog bowl. They have all of these little guys, which are very cute. They're giving off the vibe that they've been donated from a shop, to be honest, but look at those little mice on that ornament there. Aren't they cute? Got this gingy up there. Little cutlery holder Santas. Again, not much, but I mean, a wooden chalet. What is that? Okay, it's some sort of box or something. Pretty cool. Okay, I've made my way into Children's Hospice Southwest now. How pretty is this little set? Look, a little vase and a little bit, £4 with a set of two. It's a bit of a bargain. Imagine filling that out with lint balls and then some Christmassy flowers in there. I think I'd quite like that. Another little tea. Sorry. Okay, no worries. But now, I don't know what it's called, but the Fab of Christmas or something, a little tag. So cute. Got some cards. Look at those. Merry and bright. Cute enough. Who's that? Delia Smith's Christmas. Oh, look. The little clip-on candle bases for your tree. I don't want to put real candles on my tree, but that's cute, isn't it? 50p. It's a bargain. I like the little clip part. Loads of Christmas puzzles. Oh, look. A bauble tub. Oh, this is the best bauble tub we've seen so far today, isn't it? It's pretty. Little dots on there. Got quite a few of them actually. Some disco balls again. A rainbow petrol disco ball. Beautiful. Lots of petrol-y coloured ones really. Maybe someone donated a whole set or something like that. I don't know, I do love a ball. one. Gorgeous. Don't know how much they are though. There's no price on the box, but that seems to be a same. Oh look, a little tiny tin. Oh, that's cute. I want to buy that and put something in it. Look at that one. How cute are they? £1 for that one though. Oh, I love those. Look at that Santa. So cute. Speaking of Santas, look at a little Santa pot. How cute is that? I decided that I'm going to pick up these. I think my mum would really like them, so I'm going to grab them. Oh, look at those jammies. Kids in pyjamas, £6.50. They are gorgeous. Love that fabric on them. What is that? Fat face cow ones. Sweet. Christmassy shirt. £4.50 for that jumper. Tesco one. Much better price than the last charity shop we kind of found some in. Oh, this is making it harder picking up these tins, isn't it? £5 on that one. Next one. What's on that? Just a Santa and a moustache. Lots of random printed ones that feel like they're from Shein. Look how terrible it is. I can't believe things like that are actually made, to be honest. But it's still £5. Again, another printed one. It's got to be Shein, isn't it? Has to be. Oh, no, look. It's so bad. What's that one? I don't know, coffee liqueur. £5. So you could probably pick up quite a good one for £5 really if you just had a good rummage through. Merry Christmas. Some of these need my bobbler machine on, don't they? You know my de-bobbler? I blooming love that thing. So I just thought up to this one, thinking it was going to be my last trip of the day, and it's shut down. I know they opened up another air ambulance over near Home Bargains, but this one here was open for a little while after that one first opened, and I thought that perhaps it was still going, but no. Alas, look in there, one big empty charity shop. So with that being said, I'm actually just going to go home now. I got my hat, I got my little mini tins in there, and I've also got myself a Dr Pepper Zero, so it wasn't all in vain this morning. Not as good as what I hoped, but hey, we got a couple of things and we got a good look around for day 2 of Thriftmas. So tomorrow I think I'm going to do something at home. I think I'm going to start some crafts later. I've got some bits to upcycle, so I reckon we can probably upcycle them as day 3. So I'm going to go home now, get my craft on, and I will meet you back here for day 3 of Thriftmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.